stupid idea because look, there's snow in the desert.
You're the one saying it's not stupid.
It's not stupid because I really want salted caramel pancakes of some kind. But
You are very specific about your pancakes of some kind.
yes, and bacon. I want bacon. But look, it's kind of not great out here.
They might make us turn around if that
I know.
hill is bad.
Keep your distance, babe,
From what?
from the car in front.
Yeah, no shit.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
What was that? I think one of the rats just fell out of the engine.
Oh God, someone's stopping. That's not good.
They put chains on it.
Oh.
They did not put chains on it.
Wussies, you don't need chains in the desert. Ugh. It's gonna.
Famous last words.
Oh, yeah, I should have.
I'm
Look,
so
there's actually
stressed.
quite a lot of snow.
Yeah, look at it.
It doesn't smell great in here either.
It smells like rats.
God, we're so gross. This is bad. Okay, I'm gonna go. Look at this. This is nuts.
Dad had started recording. You have to sing.
Sorry.
It usually sings because it started recording, which is a pleasure for everyone. Look at this. Coming down into. I know, we're pancakes. These had better be worth it, these pancakes, because we're risking life and limb, aren't
It's
we,
worth
babe?
it.
Yeah, we've already had like the highway patrol.
Patrol.
Because somebody probably flipped something.
Oh my goodness.
There's
It's like,
cars on the side of the road.
it's like the apocalypse. 2 inches of snow. Look at it. It is very
And I bet the
pretty.
Big Bear used to like
3 feet of snow, I know. It's really
I think
bad
it
up
said
there.
something like 8
8
by
feet.
tomorrow.
Here?
Feet?
No, Big Bear. Didn't it say something like that?
No, it's 5 to 8 inches, but there was like about 5 different updates of that. Like a lot of 5 to 8 inches, so yeah, a lot. Oh, well, we got a nice clean windscreen for once ever.
Yeah.
So-
It'll be easy to see the car doing a head-on collision into us.
Oh my God! Why would you say that?
I don't know.
There's
You're
one back here.
panicking.
I have a feeling of impending doom
Oh, you always
over
have a
these
feeling.
damn pancakes.
Pancakes. Okay, we'll be back at IHOP, hopefully.
All this snow in Johnson or
Yeah. Okay, I'm videoing again. We're on our way home.
You didn't give me videos of us in IHOP.
No, it was kind of crazy in IHOP. It was delicious. We're thoroughly glad we went. But there was a lot of stress going on in there.
Yeah.
It was apparently the end of the world in IHOP because they were short-staffed. But they did amazing. It was delicious. We didn't have to wait that long, really.
Well, we waited like 45 minutes for the food.
Like 45 minutes, but they did good, and it was delish. So, but look at this. This is ridiculous. And there's a guy in front who's just nearly caused a pileup so he could wipe his windscreen.
He stopped in the middle of the highway, didn't pull over, stopped, got out of his car to wipe his windshield.
Yeah.
And our brakes locked up. The truck in front of us brakes locked up, but he
He
slid
skidded
them.
around, otherwise he would have hit him.
Yeah.
So this is the trouble. But look how crazy it is. It's literally
A whiteout.
a whiteout. Yeah. Look at it. It's like a forest of Joshua trees.
I don't
in
even
snow.
recognize the area.
No, I can't tell where we are. Kind of nuts. Pretty bad. But we're glad we went because it was really good, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was delish.
We can talk all about our experience there when we get home.
Yeah. Okay, so things went rapidly downhill.
We've been in the car for like 3 hours. What time is it? 3:30.
It's 3:30 now.
We
This is-
first got in the car at like 11. something.
Yeah. We got stuck on the way back from Yucca because of other people on the road being stupid and not being able to drive. But there's 2 like really big dips that we've showed you before, and there's been all kinds of accidents. And so
About a minute past 12.
we got past both of the dips, but then somebody decided they were detouring everybody off towards Landers. So we ended up heading towards Landers and had to come back on a weird little back road. And we're now thankfully back on the road, but it's apparently blocked up here. So we're all frazzled, we all need the toilet. I think that's fair to say. I think I'm coming down with the zombie attack virus or something. I feel crap. Matt's gonna lose his shit any second and the car will explode. So that's where we are right now. Hopefully we can get home. The dogs are back there probably pooping themselves, thinking we've left them for good. Have you got any words to say? No, that's how bad it is. He's not singing. He's not raspberrying. He's not doing anything, man. Look at this. This is the desert. Matt keeps... Oh, there's somebody gone off the road. Matt says he keeps saying that we left Big Bear to avoid this, and somehow there's like 6 inches of snow in the desert.
And this is ironically worse than any jam we've been in Big
Yeah,
Bear.
because there's literally one road to get everywhere and nowhere else to get round. So to get home, like we were detoured in completely the wrong direction, but we gambled to come back onto this road, so we'll have to see how that goes.
And this person in front of us wants me to get out and smack him in the face.
Yeah, this person in front, we've been behind the entire way, and it is absolutely the worst driver of all history of drivers ever in the world. I'm not saying we're perfect, but this person is a nightmare and we can't escape them. So that's where we are. We'll update you. Hi, so we got home and we got home to this. Fred's had a wee. He's freaking out, but this is just ridiculous.
Sorry.
What are you doing? I'm going to go out and try not to kill myself down the steps. You wouldn't believe this was the same place, would you?
Oh, look in the pool.
Yeah.
Go look in the pool.
Yay! You're running around in the snow? Yeah! Get away, man! Get away! I know! Good boy, get away! Yeah. Can't see anything. So we're going to get the heating on. I honestly didn't think we were going to get home. That was terrifying. But we're home. Thank God. We're getting the generator on now and getting some heater action.